Alright, we're back. Oh, yeah, I can stand on that now. Just a little bit softer than the floor. Right. So, yeah, I should go and have a coffee. The results of last night's work were, as you can see, maybe, is here. Now that's all glued up. Doesn't look amazing, but that's fine. Also glued that up a little bit. I'll sand that back shortly. These are all glued up now as well. I'll take the cable ties off, and that there's sorted now as well. So what I'm going to start doing now is put you guys back up here, something like that. Okay, so next step that I'm going to be doing is okay, I need to make new ones of these for this to mount onto the crash bar, basically. So on this side, as you can see, they're snapped. So I'm gonna have to come up with some way to join a couple pieces of sheet metal onto them and make them stick. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna get into it. After I tidy my space a little bit. So what I'm basically doing, see if I can show you from up there, is I'm going to be forming this to go over the front of that and then sort of tuck over this. Hopefully that's going to be able to hold it there, and then I'll put a couple rivets to it to secure it in place. Basically this is going to have to follow the same profile as this, so well, that would have been a bit easier to mark it out like that, actually. Silly. There we go, that's going to be close enough for our purposes. Should be a bit better, that one there, that'll do. And then where that finishes, that's going to have to come out at quite a sharp 90. Let's take this off of here so you can see what I'm up to. Oh, that's falling everywhere. Oh, nice. Right. Hopefully, that's going to be what we need. Rightio, moment of truth. Yeah. Something like that I think will do. Right, let's see how many questionable means I can use to get this hole in here where I need it. Get both of them in there actually, because I don't want to have to drill through the bumper. I'm gonna guess it's somewhere about there. No idea. No idea. Just the sole fact that that worked actually made me really happy. Right. Well, ta-da! Oh, oh man. Ta-da! A hole where I didn't want it again. God damn it. Oh, that's bad. Oh man. Oh well. I have to bog it up. Oh, that's terrible, Dill. Jeez, mate. Right, I'm going to leave this for a minute and I'm going to go paint that front bar. I'll be back. Oh, this is hardening up real fast. Oh, this one I'm not too concerned about. Go on, get in there. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, that'll probably do. Oh, I've got glue everywhere. Yeah, well, look, that's gonna live there from now on. Oh god, this is horrible. Yeah, I'm gonna go get that off my fingers before I, stick my hands to something. I'm gonna leave that there. Hopefully it's not gonna fall over. I'm gonna go check all my coats of paint on everything, and then yeah, I'll come back. All right. Well, now that my relatively dodgy repairs, 1 and 2, they're all glued up. I've given it a little while to cure. Gone and painted some other stuff. Made some other progress, if you will. Yeah, it hasn't actually been that productive because I just, yeah. Anyway, I'm not going to bother getting into it. It's not worth talking about. Yeah, made me quite angry though. That's all I'm going to say. So, next up on the agenda is that's fine, we're never going to see it. Is we're going to put this freshly painted, freshly dried, very badly painted. There's like 7 or 8 different types of black paint on here because I had a lot of spare rattle cans just sitting around, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to use them all. Going to get rid of all of them. So, yeah, gonna attach these two back together. I'm not going to put them straight back on the car because I'm still yet to reassemble pretty much everything else, seeing as I've had to recoat the rad support with paint and clear coat twice after it all cracked off yesterday. Well, not all of it, but I'm a perfectionist, so I wanted it to be better than that. Yeah, anyway, I wasn't going to talk about it, but whole reason I'm quite pissed off at the moment is because I sanded it all back, repainted it all, and because I wanted to just rush and get it all painted, I sprayed it all again and I put the car outside so it was in the sun to like heat it up a little bit, and sure enough, I literally turned around to go put the rattle can back inside and it started raining. So managed to save it before it got too bad, and it looks fine from a distance, but yeah, just a little bit angry because it's not perfect, and it was pretty damn close to perfect. So anyway, yeah, now that's over. Now that's out of the way. Yeah, I'm just gonna get back into putting this thing together. All right, gonna mix up some more glue because I need to attach these little guys. Now I think about it, it's probably not even gonna work, is it? Because yeah, these need to go on the back of over there so that these have something to screw into. Actually, you know what? I'm going to try weld them back together. See if I can't make myself angrier. Shouldn't say that. I really don't recommend doing it like this, but I'm a trained professional. It's going to be one of those don't try it at home kind of things. Final. Well, it's now one piece. And it's hot. Who would have thought? Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Perfecto. Oh, where's the other one? Oh, there it is. In the open wires section. Grab it, weld it back out. Ah. Got me a cup of coffee, even though it was probably 6 hours later than when I said I needed coffee last. Yeah, it's like 3:30 in the afternoon and I'm drinking a coffee, because why not? Right. Where was I? I was going to make another one of them. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to get to it. Oh, I love coffee. This will tell me the answer I need. Oh, you reformed me drink coffee at 3 o'clock in the afternoon instead of alcohol. It's a little bit more wholesome. Anyway, onwards. If every YouTuber's got their own little saying, mine's definitely going to be onwards and upwards, or so they say. Or more correctly, so I say. It's been about an hour and a half since I had that coffee last. And I'm tired again. Just a little bit of a caffeine addiction.